This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable paper bags, specifically these BagTech rectangular paper takeout bags. They have several nice features that make them an upgrade to your normal paper bag that you might use for takeout. They come in 4 colors. We have newsprint, white, black, and craft, meaning you have some fun, stylish options in terms of the colors to upgrade. They're also a really nice size. They're 11 by 7 by 11, meaning that you have a nice, wide, deep area to put multiple items in, including takeout boxes, drinks, and other things. They're made from a sturdy craft paper that's also biodegradable, making that a great feature as well. And when open, they're going to stand up and stand open for you, meaning it's going to be easy to place items inside. They come with nice little built-in handles. They're actually reinforced as well. There's an extra little layer of paper there, making for a nice sturdy carry as well. And they also have a lovely kind of stylish profile, so no need to roll the top of that paper bag anymore. You have nice little carryable takeout bags that are a perfect container. Whether you're a cafe, a bakery, or a restaurant, just looking for something that's a little more stylish for your takeout orders and delivery, these can be a great option for small orders. And especially the plain ones provide you a nice space to either write a message to your customer or use something like a stamp or a sticker to provide a little branding. So these are fantastic for small grocery items, takeout containers, drinks, bakeries that are looking to pack up small items for orders, and they're just a lovely little touch to finish off your branding.